and welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be looking at another shoe in the first use pack, this time in the Sale colorway in the Nike Dunk High Silhouette. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions you have down below. Hit that join button because we have some amazing membership perks on there that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as an amazing merch store with some great shade items. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is finished. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at some shoes in the first use pack. We're going to go through the overview, then we're going to talk about size and fit on these Nike Dunk Highs. Then we're going to move into styling. I had so much fun styling these shoes. And then we're going to conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. Let's jump into the overview. All right, let's jump into the overview on the Sale colorway for the second edition shoe in the first use pack. So again, this is a completely dramatically different colorway in comparison to the University Red. I actually like this color scheme a little bit better than the red. It's a little too much red for me on this one. I love the Sale colorway and the colors that they've really intricately added in this version. So starting with the toe box, you'll notice the majority of the upper is in a Sale colorway, and we've got just nice leather underlays with just nice simple suede overlays. And it's just a nice texture that they gave it here. It's a little bit shaggy. As we work our way up, we've got the Sale colorway intermixed with this teal green color scheme, which I think pops quite nicely off of that Sale tongue in the nylon material. Again, we've got the Nike logo in white, and my favorite detail here, which is that metallic gold lace lock, and it's got that little tiny stud on there, which just gives it a little bling, a little nice accessory to add and give it a little flavor. So let's just take a quick little peek at all of those details before we move on to the side panels. Moving on to the side panels, again, this shoe is paying homage to Carolyn Davidson's design of the swoosh mark. And it has also been 50 years since Nike first used this, and that's why it's called the first use. So you'll see the date, June 18th, 1971 on there. Again, this nicely embroidered swoosh mark in that teal colorway. And it just shows the underlays of that just beautiful leather underneath, as well as that suede. As we wrap around to the other side of the side panel, you'll notice that this is a different swoosh. It's not embroidered and showing the underlays under that leather, but it's a nice teal color, which again just pops off of the Sale quite nicely. As we work our way to the inside of the shoe, again, that really cool insole where it's got all of the different Nike logos with the different years in there, and it's just really cool to kind of see how much the Nike logo has changed over time. The shoe is then finished off with just a nice simple white midsole and that just kind of Sale colorway on the outsole. All right, let's take a look at those final details. Talk about sizing on these Nike Dunk highs. I went true to size, so I was a 7.5, which is equivalent to a women's size 9. I would say stick true to size on these ones. I do like to wear my shoes on the larger size, so I do feel like I have plenty of extra space in that toe box region. For those of you who don't know my foot type, I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you do have wide feet that are flat, you may actually end up going with a size that works differently than mine, but I would recommend staying true to size on this one. All right, let's work our way into the styling section. This is actually a really nice, refreshing color for the summer, so I did have a lot of fun with this. For the first look, I decided to just keep it, you know, nice and cozy and comfortable. So I wore a teal cropped long sleeve shirt, which has Brooklyn on it, and I think it matched this lace to a tee. I paired that with some nice tan cargo pants just because I think tan really worked well with the sail tones in this, and that was just a nice, comfortable look for the day. The next look, I wore a flower printed top, and I paired that with, again, some teal biker shorts, again, just to match this nicely accented shoe in this teal color, which you see kind of predominantly throughout the shoe. I wanted to really pull from those colors. And I paired that with just a simple bucket hat, corduroy, just tan bucket hat. For the last and final look, I decided to wear my Supreme Gore-Tex hat with some nice green denim jeans, and I paired that with, again, a nice kind of simple green rib tank top, which I think matched, again, the colors in the silhouette perfectly. Let me know down below, what was your favorite look out of the three, or how would you decide to style these shoes? right, now let's conclude with the resale on the Dunks. So starting with the University Red, these both retailed at $120. The red is going between $140 on the lower end to $185, and the sales also retailed at $120 are going between $133 to $190. So not too crazy of a price point. Obviously, these got postponed on the Sneakers app, so definitely, you know, if you really want these, it's not too crazy a price point over the retail market value. I do think that the sales are doing a little bit better, a little bit more of a popular color, but hopefully you will take W's and be able to buy these for retail on the sneaker app if these are shoes that you want to add to your sneaker collection. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for tuning into this review and unboxing. Again, if you were new to the channel today, thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up, as they do mean the world to the channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that join button because we do have some amazing membership perks. I'm telling you, you're not going to want to miss out on those, as well as a great shade store. All right, that's it for this episode. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next one.